Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into GitHub Pages settings, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for GitHub in the address bar. Press enter to navigate to the GitHub homepage. In the top right corner, click on the sign in button. Enter your GitHub username or email address in the first field. Type your password in the second field. Click on the sign in button to access your account. Once logged in, locate the repository you want to manage. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select your repositories from the drop-down menu. Choose the repository you want to use for GitHub Pages. On the repository page, look for the Settings tab. Click on the Settings tab to access the repository settings. Scroll down to the Pages section on the left sidebar. Here, you will find your GitHub Pages settings. Review the source branch options displayed. Select the appropriate branch you want to use for your site. Choose the folder if necessary, typically it's the root folder. Once selected, click on Save to confirm your changes. Your GitHub Pages settings are now configured. You can access your published site using the URL provided. Make sure any additional configurations are set as needed. Now your GitHub Pages site is ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.